Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today the queen of packaging has done it again. So we've got the new Fenty Beauty Body Lava and the Fairy Balm. I'm so excited to try these. They say it's what's on the inside that counts. So let's bust these open and see what we're working with. The look of this is really what sold me. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, it just looks so luxurious. Like, I just want it sitting in my room. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my god. I didn't even expect that to smell as good as that just did. Like, oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and backtrack a little bit because I want to go over the actual pricing and everything like that, because that's one big factor that everybody was kind of concerned about, was the price. This one right here retails for $59 and this one retails for $42. So just to kind of give you a little bit of perspective, this is 3 fluid ounces. I'm gonna show you a few drugstore drops that I have like this, like luminizing drops, and show you a size comparison. Because when you see this side by side and I give you the comparison real quick, you won't feel so bad about the price. Just let me show you. So to give you a size comparison, come on. And I know this is specifically Body Lava, so of course it's gonna be bigger. But when you think about the price comparison right here, these are drugstore or affordable options, and they're about 0.5 fluid ounces. This is 3 fluid ounces, so 6 times as much product for $59. Let's just do a little quick math really quick. These are drugstore. This is high-end. So I really can't complain too much. I feel like this is going to last me forever. The glitter pom-pom, on the other hand, I don't really know how to compare that to anything else because it's such a unique product. And it just sold me. It just sold me with the looks, okay? I'm not going to lie to you. I can't really tell you whether or not that's worth the money based on facts. I'm just going to tell you based on my opinion. I'm like so annoyed with myself right now for not getting the kabuki, but I could not justify the purchase just because I just have other brushes like that already. But I feel a lot more pretty right now putting this on if I had it. I smell like an angel. Like a tropical angel right now. It has like that body oil type of feel to it. Like not super oily, but a little bit slick. Like it does have that oily texture to it. And when you squirt it out, it does look more like a jelly. So it's not like thin and watery. It's more of like a jelly consistency. So I'm just going to go ahead and slather myself in this because why not? And I tested this out in the store after I already bought it, honestly. And it was glistening in the sunlight. I wish it was light outside right now so I could show you guys. But just trust me, it is glistening. Glistening. Like, oh my goodness. To give like a comparison. Wow, I can't believe Rihanna invented tube top season. How are you just gonna steal all my money and run? Like, Rihanna really takes all my money. And I could just see myself glistening all over my body, all over my legs, in the sun. I'm in Arizona, it's hot, and I'm just gonna be, like, I feel moisturized. I feel moisturized, and I feel the glitter, and I just love it. Like, this is beautiful. So moving on to the next product, now that I don't know if you guys have had enough of the glow, but I'm gonna move on to the Fairy Balm. And the shade name for this, which is the only shade right now, I don't know if they're gonna expand it, but this is called Rose on Ice. And the thing about this, from what the girl told me at Sephora, is that she was, you know, playing with it for a while until it started to get its full potential. And what was so weird is, like, I'm gonna try to see if I can mimic this, but on the one that they had on display, she told me that she was just playing around with it for a while just to see how much glitter she could get out of it, or why it wasn't having very much glitter at first. Because she said at first she was kind of like, damn, like, there's nothing coming out of this pom-pom. Like, there's nothing. But when she started like doing it for a while just so she could get the product out, it started turning pink on the bottom. I see what she means. Like, there isn't a total lot that comes out of this at first. Like, I don't know. I'm just like beating the shit out of myself. Okay. It's that kind of video now. So you can definitely see, like, there's, oh, there it goes, right there, right there. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes. That's it right there. This is exactly what I meant. So when you start to, like, actually press into it and get the product out, it's like this pink, rose gold, golden glitter. Oh my God. And so since this hand is just dry as ever, I'm going to give it some love and put some glitter on this side. And let's kind of do a comparison. So the difference between the two is that this one has that pink rose color to it. Obviously it's called rosé, so it makes sense. This is just more dewy and metallic. This one has a definite color to it. It has a rose color, but there is definitely a difference. Obviously one is like a gel and one is a powder. This reminds me of like baby oil gel. That's what it is. I knew it didn't remind me of oil, but it didn't remind me of like lotion either, and it wasn't too liquidy. It reminds me of baby oil gel. That is exactly what it reminds me of. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I love using baby oil gel when I get out of the shower, and it just feels exactly like that. Okay, I know now. I didn't think I knew, but I do know. If any of you guys were curious, so that's the exact way that I can describe it. So you can also see, like, as I put some on my hand, the color payoff is starting to come out. You can see the product coming out and start of like a, like, you can kind of see the pattern of where it's coming out of. So that's what you should expect if you're at first not seeing any payoff. This is what you're going to be looking for because this is the actual product. I know it's sad to see it look dirty, but it's worth it though. Like, that just looks stunning. Like, I'm just waiting for some evil soul on YouTube to decide to make a video about cutting this in half. And usually those videos don't bother me, but just because of how cute and beautiful this is, I just couldn't watch it. Like, I couldn't see somebody do that, but I feel like somebody will at some point. So I am so sorry if you were looking at this review hoping that I would say, go ahead and save your coin, you don't need it. I'm not gonna say that, okay? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This is not the review for you, okay? Because I'm gonna hype this up a little bit. All in all, my thoughts are that this is poppin'. This smells delicious. I feel radiant. I feel amazing. And yeah, to me it was worth it. Everybody values things very different though, so I completely understand if somebody feels like, oh, this is definitely not worth it for a pom-pom full of glitter. I completely understand that. Completely understand that. But for me, the products and how good they feel and how much I enjoy wearing them and how good it makes me feel, that's worth the money to me. Like, I really, really enjoy these products. And people can definitely say if it wasn't Rihanna or if it wasn't Fenty Beauty, that we wouldn't be hyping it up so much. And yeah, let's all go ahead and admit that if some no-name brand came out selling glitter pom-poms for $45, nobody would be interested at all. Because, like, who are you? You know what I'm saying? Not to say anything bad about new companies. I love new indie companies. It is amazing seeing what people come out with. But there is a certain level that you have to get to for people to hype up every new release that you do. So with Fenty Beauty, I feel like they came right out the bat, setting the bar high. Every single launch that they've had so far has been a success. The only product that I haven't liked so far was the Galaxy palette. I wasn't a huge fan of it. I own it. I don't really use it very often. But Fenty Beauty has killed it. Like, it really has killed it. And this wasn't supposed to be like a rave video, like raving about Fenty Beauty, but I just wanted to say that and preface it with that. Like, why are you hyping up some glittery lotion? I really like it. Like, I genuinely really like the product, so I'm just gonna keep doing me and keep glowing. So if it's worth it for you, buy it. If it's not worth it for you, definitely save your money. I don't think anybody should go out of their way to buy something that they don't feel like is worth it. Like I showed you earlier, there are definitely affordable options. You guys know I'm all about the cheap. Like, I like to buy cheap stuff too, okay? I do. And so those little $7 options, although they're such a small bottle, you can still apply them to high points of your collarbone, to your shoulders, and things like that. I've done that with all those products before. Or you can even probably throw some pigment and some baby oil gel, and it might be pretty similar, like I'm telling you right now. So, all in all, are we hyping this up because it's Fenty? Yes. Let's all be honest. But are we also hyping it up because it's a good product that just also happens to be Fenty? Yes. Okay guys, let me know down below what you thought of the products. Let me know if you swatched them in store. Let me know if you bought them. Let me know which product you bought. I'm actually very excited to see swatches of the other shade that's actually an online only shade. I didn't realize that it was going to be online only, but I'm very excited to see how it swatches. I didn't purchase it myself, but I definitely want to see how it looks. It looks very, very bronze, very beautiful. So this is what I got. Let me know down below what you think. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Okay guys, if you made it to the end of the video and you were curious as to what lip combo I'm wearing, because I do usually get questions about it, but I always forget before I get to my comments, so I just want to say it now so I don't forget. I'm wearing the Hypnotic Lights from Milani, and this is like a metallic lip topper. This is in the shade number 1, Luster Light, and over top of that I have the Glam Gloss from NYX, and this is in the shade Do the Hustle.